So this is a company that's in the tech space, in the infrastructure space, and you may have heard of this company. They've had various outages and scandals over the past couple of years. Here we have I believe it's a 25 bar cycle. Yeah, 25 bars. And you can see how consistent that is. These vertical dotted lines show where the actual cycle troughs occurred relative to these ideal cycle brackets. So now it appears that we've just formed our intermediate low, and this was a very strong cycle. It didn't even retrace to the 23.6% fib. So this is a swamp cycle. It did give just enough to it gave just enough to turn our reversal scout purple, and now we've got the return to positive momentum here. So we are projecting, you can see the levels here. We are projecting anywhere, we haven't got to the 38.2% extension level yet, but here's our 50%, and you can see the various prices here that I've got in here. 61.8, 78.6% would be normal increases after a cycle low, but occasionally after such a shallow retracement, we get a failure. So that's why I've kind of left these other levels in for you to see. And now let's switch over to the daily chart because it was a short term that Terry had asked for. So over on here, we have 44 bar cycles, and you can see that these have all been very positively configured. We only got our slim ribbon to turn neutral here and negative when we made that corresponding synced short-term and intermediate term low. And so now we've got the return to positive momentum. There's our reversal scout, and the slim ribbon has also returned to positive. So this would be a buy zone if we were able to get a pullback here, a bull flag for moves to higher prices. Right now, stalling at the 100% extension level, but we are early in the cycle with positive momentum, so would expect to be able to take that out.